The sun is shining, and today is Super Bowl Seagull Sunday. Let's check out some deck work. Then eat some seagulls, maybe? I don't know. Let's see what happens.
I gotta charge you that. I can't pull it, right?
What's today?
Yes.
What's today?
Seagull Sunday.
No, Super Bowl.
Super Bowl Seagull Sunday.
Super Bowl Seagull. And get them to come and land on you.
There you go, guys. There you go.
Super Bowl Seagull Sunday, yes, that's right. It's don't forget to comment or thumbs up or favorite this video or whatever you want to do, or just enjoy watching it because it's crazy. Seagull Super Bowl Sunday.
Come on. You want a piece? Come on. You want another? Come on. Come on. Come on.
Let's see if they grade my $50 bill.
It's gonna be great when we're coming together, huh? Come on. What happened to the Here you go, fellas.
Right behind me we got the fabulous Beachcomer bar. That's right, the Beachcomer bar where those crazy kids from the Jersey Shore, they'd hang out there. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Get back here. Yes, it's like summertime out here today. Nice and warm, beautiful day out, sun shining, not anything like yesterday. Yesterday was a terrible day. Today's a beautiful day, and the sun is shining out here in Seaside Heights, New Jersey, and yeah, just having a good old time, right? Having a good time? You having a good time?
I'm having a good time.
Don't forget the polar bear plunge here, February 26th, right here in Seaside Heights, right in front of the Aztec here. See, we're in front of the Aztec, that's where it's going to be, and people are going to jump in the ocean and, you know, that type of thing. For a good cause, yeah. Special Olympics. Yeah, special. Here's EJ's bar, where Snookie would get all drunked up. She'd go to EJ's bar with Dina, and they'd all, up on that Jersey Shore show, they'd have a few drinks, and, yeah, that type of thing. I don't know what they're building here on Sheraton, on the beach here on Sheraton. We are Big Top Arcade. Yes, it's closed for the winter. I don't know. I guess it'll be opening in the spring or whenever, or around Easter time, maybe. but nothing going on here. And here we are, we're standing in front of the shore store. That's right, the shore store where jwow and Snookie, them guys, they worked here in the shore store, selling them t-shirts, you know, with the, yeah, that's it, the t-shirts, right.
Back there, all new boardwalk. Hiring.
Kearney Avenue, on down, new boardwalk.
Oh. Kearney Avenue on down to the end.
Yes, here we are in front of the Jersey Shore house where Snookie fell down these steps many a time. That's right, the famous Jersey Shore house. Now, I had enough of this Jersey Shore house. Let's get out of here.